Hi, this is Michelle Ferguson of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to show you how to do the extended single crochet stitch. I am left-handed, so this will be a left-handed tutorial, but if you're right-handed, the steps are still the same. You'll just be working in the other direction. You'll need some yarn and a crochet hook for this tutorial. I've already worked up a foundation, chainless foundation single crochet foundation row, just to have something to work into. You can also just chain and it works the exact same way. What you'll do is you'll chain one and turn after you've created your chain, or if you're working a chain, just a plain chain, you will just work into the second stitch from your hook. So I've chained one and I've turned. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my hook into my stitch and I'm going to pull up a loop. So I have 2 loops on my hook. And then I am going to yarn over and pull through one of those loops. So now I have 2 loops on my hook again. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull through both of those loops. Let's do that again. Insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. So now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through one loop. You'll have 2 loops on your hook again. Yarn over, pull through both loops. And you're back and you're finished. Insert hook into your stitch, yarn over, pull through, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through one loop, 2 loops on your hook again, yarn over, pull through both. Now I'm going to work it regular speed. 1 loop, 2 loops. Insert hook, pull up a loop, pull through 1 loop, pull through 2 loops. And this is the extended single crochet. It gives it a little more height than a regular single crochet, and I just love the look of it. And it's very easy and it's very quick. I find it even quicker than the single crochet a little bit because it's just a little bit quicker. I don't know. But you just go across, whether you're working into a chain or a stitch, insert your hook, whoops, insert your hook. Pull up a loop, 2 loops, pull through 1 loop, pull through both loops. Insert hook, 1 loop, 2 loops. And then when you complete a row, so this is my last extended single crochet stitch on the row, you'll chain 1, turn, and you'll work right into that first stitch. I don't count the chain 1 as a stitch in this case. It's just to get you turned over to the other side. And you can like barely see it too. So insert hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that is how you do the extended single crochet stitch. Thanks for watching.